Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to set up a Teamspeak on your Raspberry Pi 5. Before we install the Teamspeak server, we want to have an orchestrator. In my case, I use the Portainer. Go to the Portainer official website. Click on Install Portainer CE. Click on Set up a new Portainer CE. Click on Docker Standalone. Click on Install Portainer CE with Docker on Linux. First we create the volume for the Portainer. Click on the copy icon. Paste the command to your terminal. Go back to the website and copy the next command. This command will pull the image and create the orchestrator. Paste it in and hit enter. The container is now created and you can see the container ID. Type in the IP of your Raspberry Pi with the port from your newly created Portainer instance, which should be 9443. Choose a password and create your user. Now we have a nice web UI for our Docker container. You can see it's connected to our Docker engine. You also can see the CPU and also the available memory. When you click on the card, you will get an overview of our Docker engine. Now there are two containers running. Let's check which container these are. The first container is the Hello World example from a previous video. We can delete this container. Connect to a Raspberry Pi and create a folder for your Teamspeak configuration. Go to Docker Hub and type in Teamspeak and hit enter. Scroll down and filter for ARM64. In this example I use the image from AirTag. Scroll down and copy the run example. Type in sudo and paste in the command, but don't hit enter, we have to change the path for the configuration and also the tag. Change the tag to latest. Type in the path to your configuration folder. My path is /home/ubuntu/ds3. Hit enter. Go to your config folder and open the logs folder. In the logs folder, open the -1 log file. Copy the token and now open your Teamspeak client. In the Teamspeak client, click on Connect. Enter the IP of your Pi and click on Connect. Now paste in the token we copied earlier from the terminal. The token was applied successfully. Now we are server admin on our Teamspeak instance. This Teamspeak instance has with the free license model 32 slots available. The last thing you have to do to enjoy your Teamspeak instance with your friends is to forward on your router those free ports to your Raspberry Pi. But please be careful, if you are not using the Teamspeak server, I recommend you to deactivate the port forwarding. It is always risky to punch holes in your firewall and open ports.